Let's practice choosing between present, perfect, simple, and continuous. After Lucy gets home from work, she chats with her husband Neil and her children Liliann and Eugene. You will see a sentence with the verb in brackets that you have to put into present, perfect, simple, or the present, perfect, continuous. After 10 seconds, you will hear and see the solution. Hello, Neil. Have you had a good day? Well, not really. I have been trying to talk to the coach about the next match all day. But I haven't spoken to him yet. I have had a very successful day. I have been talking to some producers for weeks. And now I have bought some oranges. Have you seen the kids yet? No, I have just got home. Eugene, Liliann, where are you? I'm out here. I'm playing on the jungle gym. I'm in the garden playing chess with Grandpa. We have been playing since I got home. And we haven't finished it. And how long have you been playing, Liliann? Come on! You have been playing on it for more than an hour. Liliann, have you done your homework yet? Yes, I have. Okay, come inside soon for dinner.